Hi guys, this is Eric Sauvé, Z Power Diver. So I'm going to walk you through the installation of the community tracking application and solution. So first step is to download the different files from the Power Platform Bank that you get into the Dynamic Society, the TDG website. You'll get the links below here. Right now it's while I was doing this, the file is not there, but you'll find them there, no problem. And in the files you'll have, so within your Power Apps environment, you go in Solution. First step is to import the solution that will contain the entities that are required. So in terms of entities, so I go here, choose the file, and the file is this one, the Aspiring MVP 1002. Is that to remove the app which was causing some problem in the import. So now it's only the entities and the option set related to it. So in here, what you'll get is two entities. One to list out the contribution types that mostly serves to display, know what type of labels are used, because when you do a submission based on the type of contribution, you have 1, 2, or 3 extra fields that are required, and the label changes. So, for example, for an article, it may ask you the number of readers. For blog posts, number of posts, things like that, and number of viewers, different things like that. So the labels change based on the type that you pick. So the import will eventually get through. And if you want to know what all this kind of started from, was one of Mark Spitz, NZ365 guy, one of his in the YouTube channel that he has. There's a video on how to become an MVP tracking contributions, and in there he does give good info about the importance of providing a list and keeping a track of what you do, the speaking engagements, the blogs, the articles that you write, things like that, because that will be something that will be required by the one that will sponsor you. So the import worked. I'll publish my customizations, and we'll go and confirm that the entities are well imported in my environment. Okay, publishing, so on. And all the walkthrough, also the details on this, you can find on the actual blog. Keep track of your progress. You have the link for Mark's website, and also the Power Platform Bank. That's this one here, where you can actually download the file. So as you see, I'll have to go and change the version and what's included. Does it evolve quickly after a few people tested the import? So let's go back here. We have it. So customization, that's done. So if I go in my solution, just to kind of show you, you'll see contribution area. That's the actual option set, where I only pretty much listed the one that might be of interest for me, but you can add other ones, no problem there. Contribution type, so the actual name and the labels for those 3 fields, that's what you have here. And in terms of data for this one, what we'll do is, again, I tried using the export and get data, and it was giving me a bit of trouble, but we'll kind of go the other way. So edit data in Excel. That will generate a Excel spreadsheet that you just open. Enable editing. And normally that should connect you with the right user. And once it's done, pretty much what I do is I add up. Sorry, I know it's not necessarily the best way, but it works. It's only a one shot. So get you all items there, and what I do is I go and open the contribution file type file that you have also on the Power App Bank. Take the names, copy. Oops. So I was missing one here. Let's do another new one here. So name, paste that here. Go back to my other file. Take the 3 labels and extra field. Boom. Publish. It's going to do all this stuff here, and that's it. Just close this. Don't need to save the actual data within the database. And if we go back to the application, normally, sorry, that's the wrong one. Sorry, guys. So, in this one, if we look at data, now we should have all the different one, and if we go look at all the fields, well, you see for article, it asks for number of articles, number of views, and so on. So based on which one, you get less or more labels there. So going back here, the next step. So in the solution, I think I went pretty much through all the items. And yeah, of course, the other entity is your actual contribution. So in this entity, I keep the activity date, what type, description, fields, what are the areas, the title, and the link to that site. Now, let's bring that app that we had issue bring in. So import package, go pick this one here, then process, don't navigate away, just stay there, be patient. So eventually it's going to upload the package. Okay, so got it. Create as new, blah, 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 import. Import it. And I don't know this time, but we may have to do a bit of edit within that Canvas app. There again, I didn't spend much time looking at what the issue may be. I'll let you work on that, or if somebody has a clue, just reply, no problem, and I can make the adjustment, submit a new version. So the app is imported. So like I said, we'll go in edit mode. When I tested it first time, I had an issue with the actual option set. So let's just see how it works. If it works or not. Yes, 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 I do allow it. Boom, boom. Okay, so that's the intro page. Let's just go within this one. So you see the X here? Okay, there's something with the grid that it keeps track of. I don't know. So someone has a clue, just tell me, no problem. So in this case, I go in advance, unlock it, and pretty much I just go here, pick it up again, and boom, the error is gone. Same thing for the second one. Unlock it, go here, select it again, boom, it's done. Okay, so file, save, publish, so you get it on your phone. Back here, let's run it. So I have that thing right now. I could filter, but since there's nothing, so let's go with a new one. Let's see the contribution types or an article. Which are the fields that are related to this? Click on the date. Give it a title. Oops, nice title. Subscribe. Number of articles, number of views, 100. Save it. So I'll have it here. Okay, and you can just add, if you click on it, it's going to bring it for edit. So let's say it was in Azure, it's more like Dynamics. I just save it, so it's going to update it. Can delete it, reset this form, and if you want to go to that URL, you just click this form, and it's going to bring it to it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. I hope it works. Please comment, subscribe. Don't hesitate. Keep on diving.